Kushi, welcome back. It's winters and we all get dry chapped lips. So today's video is going to be about lip care routine that I've been doing over a month and a half. So let's start our video, and do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. It's very important to ensure keeping yourself well hydrated because dehydrated body will always leave your lips dry and chapped. Well, the next step that I like to do is exfoliating my lips with a disposable transparent toothbrush. I have kept it separate for just exfoliating my lips. Gentle brushing your lips with a toothbrush help you get rid of dry skin and give your lips a smoother appearance. However, over exfoliation can irritate, so stick to brushing your lips no more than once a week. So I'm just going in very gentle, smoother circular motions. So now I'm just going to wipe off with a cotton pad and few drops of water. So guys, it has taken most of the dead skin and has made my lips much softer and smoother. Next, I'm going to be going with a Lana Beat and Berry Lip Scrub. This is how it looks from inside, and I'm just going to remove its lid and show you. It just makes your lips very smooth and helps to brighten the darker lips. It kind of has pinkish tint because of pomegranate, strawberry and beetroot. It smells super fresh and tangy, just like strawberries. I'm just going to take a very generous amount of it and just start scrubbing my lips. In case you don't want to buy, you can still go with the DIY at home, which can be made by sugar, coconut oil and honey. So I'm just gonna wipe with a cotton pad, and now you see it has left a very subtle and very nice pinkish look, and also have made my lips super plumpy, hydrated. There's no dead skin left. Next, I'm going in with a lip patch sheet mask. Sheet mask has a paramount importance in Korean skincare. This particular has a lot of serum in it, so it kind of retains moisture back to your lips and make them super hydrated because of hyaluronic acid. I'm straightly going to apply it. So we are just going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, we'll peel off. Till then, I'm going to see some updates on my phone. It feels so hydrated, and now I'm just going to massage off the rest of the serum. So next, I'm going in with PAC oil primer because it's winters and I want to lock moisture for a very long time and also add another layer for my lips protection. I'm going in with this oil, which is super good because it has ingredients like jojoba seed oil, almond seed oil, argan oil, then there's safflower seed oil, there's glycerine, vitamin E. All these super good ingredients work wonders, especially in the winter season. So I'm just gonna show you its quantity, its texture, and then I'm going to apply it gently on my lips. I just took 2 to 3 drops, and now I'm gonna rub it and let it get absorbed inside my lips. Also, avoid licking your lips too many times because the saliva is just gonna make your lips more dry, and you don't want that in winter season. So these are some of the petroleum jellies and balms and lip balms that I like to use in winter season and most of the time of year. And today I'm just going to go with the Laneige sleeping mask. I'm just going to take a very generous amount of it with my nails and just go in and rub it in and just put it on. This is finally the last step of my lip care routine. Also guys, I'd like to thank all the people who have shown so much love and likeness towards my videos. I know nobody personally, but thanks for subscribing to my channel. I continue to entertain you guys more. And do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Last but not the least, it's very important to look after our nails, hands during the winter season. They kind of get grayish and very dry, and the skin kind of just tries to come off. so it's very important to use a hand cream to keep them nourished and hydrated. Today I'm using Nykaa Amalfi hand and nail cream, which you might have seen in the previous skincare video as well. If you have not checked it out, I'll link in the description box down below, and do check it out there. Lastly, I take my vitamin A supplement before sleeping, which is super good for lips, skin, hair and everything of body. So guys, this was it, my lip care routine. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section down below if you try it out. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.